up, everybody? I'm back again. Sorry, I got the hiccups. It's been a random thing that's been happening. Just wanted to give you guys an update on my ankle actually. I had my suspicions regarding what was happening, and unfortunately, I was right. I did have a ruptured Achilles tendon, and I remember conversing with my primary physician, letting them know that I thought it was deeper than a sprain, and so he asked that I would come to see him. I went to see him, and I actually couldn't see him. I had to see his physician's assistant. So they confirmed it, referred me out to the orthopedic doctor the very next day. And they went on to refer me to the doctor for surgery, the surgeon. And so all of this happened within probably half a week. I went to the doctor on Wednesday. I went to another doctor on Thursday, the orthopedic doctor. And they referred me to go purchase a boot, which I'll show you a little bit later. Introducing the new J's, or sometimes a J. The following Monday, which was yesterday, I had surgery to repair my ruptured Achilles tendon. I will be off work for the rest of the year. I think I have four weeks before I can really get out of this. Well, I don't know what to call it right now. It's more like a non-load bearing splint or something, so I can't put pressure on it. So I have these nice crutches, and I'll be using those. And when they take this splint off, then I'll be transitioning to my boot. It's kind of tough because right now I can't take a regular shower or bath. I have to do the sponge thing or find some kind of way to cover my leg if I want to take a shower, but it's kind of hard right now. I would have to do it with assistance because I'm standing literally on one leg right now. I'm using that for everything, to be able to get around and use crutches, which I've never done before in my life. So it's a transition. I never would have guessed that playing in a fundraiser basketball game would result in something so extreme and life-changing. Because now I'm looking at basketball and I'm like, do I even need to step foot on a court again? It's a sport that I love to play with my husband. This is one thing that we do, just him and I, in our downtime. So it's tough. But I'm thankful that he was able to stay with me yesterday. My mom and my dad came to the facility in addition to my husband after surgery. Never been in surgery before. Never had to be put to sleep before. So that was a completely different experience. And right now my voice is kind of raspy and my throat is sore because apparently during surgery they stick a tube down your throat, I guess, to help keep your air passageway open or something. But all I know is I woke up, my mouth feels all beat up and scratched up. And I had tape residue all on my face and, all of these things. I don't remember anything other than the doctor telling me to put my leg on this semi-cushioned block so that he could access the spots that he needed to access in order to give me what they call a nerve block. And so they injected me with something on, I guess, two parts of my legs. Y'all excuse me. And so it basically numbed my leg from midway through my thigh all the way down to my foot. So that in addition to being put to sleep, I wasn't able to feel anything during the surgery. I wasn't aware of what was going on. I didn't hear anything, in which some people say that during surgery they can hear people talking, but I don't remember anything. I don't even remember falling asleep. It was just crazy. And I remember waking up drowsy. I remember my mom helping me get dressed and putting my clothes and stuff back on so that they could roll me out to the car. We went to the pharmacy, picked up some medicine, and now I'm back home. So I don't know if I'll be putting out a lot of videos during this time because it's really downtime. I don't anticipate anything kicking up really until probably Christmas. I'm supposed to cook the corn casserole, but I'll probably be instructing my husband on how to do it, especially if I'm still on these crutches.
She records this because she knows she's getting ready to lose. This probably will never be seen. This video will never be seen. Why? Because some people are sore losers. Other people just get the job done. I get the job done. Let's do this. Let's do it. It's about to go down.
Playing for the corn casserole. And who's going to bake it?
Yep. Who's gonna cook it? Who's gonna bake it? Looks like the one that's sitting right there is gonna do it. She's gonna do it for the man. Do it all the time.
I have my next appointment the day after Christmas, the morning after Christmas. So I guess they'll be taking the splint off and helping me transition to my boot. I wore my boot once to the job, and that was my very last day, last Thursday. So, yeah, Thursday. So, no, I went to the doctor on Tuesday. And Wednesday, I was referred to the orthopedic doctor. Thursday, I went to the job because that was my last work day. And Friday, we had to handle some service to our house. So, I'm happy I got it done. I'm praying for a successful healing, that no infection will take place. Literally, it was 4 weeks from the date of injury that I actually had the surgery done. But I'm glad I was able to get it done. They had to make a larger incision because the muscle was starting to, I guess, pull back closer to my upper calf. So they had to make the incision longer. I don't know what anything looks like up under this wrap. I guess I'll see on the 26th. And I don't know if I'm going to show you guys because it could be totally gross. So just looking forward to, hanging out, being able to get some things done on my downtime. And hopefully I can figure out a way to stop these hiccups because ever since yesterday when I was able to eat for the first time, I've been having hiccups. I had about 4 episodes yesterday and it started again. It happens every time I eat. I don't know what it is, but I hope they can stop. I hope I can stop. I really hope I can stop. Oh gosh, help me.